Hi, good afternoon. It's me again. I just want to give you an update with this concrete footpath. So, yeah, tomorrow I'm going to pour the second strip of footpath, which is this one. And then the next day I'm going to pour this is small one. This is small one and this one. So once I finish the pouring on this strip tomorrow, I'm gonna start backfilling on this small strip, so I can pour it the following day. And as you can see, I put a PVC pipe. It's like a diversion for rainwater coming from the roof to prevent muddy area in this remaining area to be poured. So this is just a temporary diversion. So once I finish all the concrete on this concrete footpath, then I'm gonna start the drainage on the side of this fence. And basically this is the top of concrete level, those top of pegs. Same thing on the other side. This one here, that's the concrete level. Yeah, I'm happy with the progress I've done today. At least tomorrow I have completed 2 strips. Hopefully it won't rain tomorrow, so otherwise I can't pour it. So this one is still wet, so I just let it cure. The way of curing the concrete is just putting water on top, or in some cases you can put a burlap and flood with water. But in this case it's only a small strip, so we just pour a small amount of water on top.
Do you want a beer?
Thank you, anak. Thank you.
Yes?
No?
No? Okay.
Yeah, to my subscribers, viewers, and people watching my YouTube channel, please, thank you so much, and bye for now. Please be safe.